Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to build a free FAQ bot using just Google Sheets and Apps Script, no paid tools. No coding skills required. By the end, you'll have your own mini chatbot powered by a spreadsheet.
Open a new Google Chrome tab and navigate to Google Sheets. You can do this by clicking the Google Apps icon, the 9-dot grid, and selecting Sheets. Start a new blank spreadsheet. Create 2 columns. In column A, list all the potential questions. In column B, list the corresponding answers. For better organization, rename this sheet to FAQ. From the top menu, go to Extensions, Apps Script. This will open the script editor in a new tab. In the Apps Script editor, delete any default code inside the code.js file. Copy and paste the following Google Apps Script code. This code creates a custom function called FAQBot that connects to the Gemini API. Remember to replace your Gemini API key with your actual Gemini API key. Enter the following formula: FAQ A1 A20, FAQ B1 B20. Go back to your Google Sheet and select the Agents tab. In this Agents sheet, set up 2 columns: Question, column A, and Answer, column B. This is where you will type your questions and see the AI-generated answers. Now, type a question into cell A2 of script will run, and after a moment, the answer from your FAQ list will automatically appear in cell B2. Try another question in cell A3, like timing. The corresponding answer about class timings will appear in cell B3.